All right, so I think this is recording. Here I'd like to go through a list of functions like problems 10 through, I think it was something like 22 or 24, where we're matching the equation to its graph. And we're going to use our function transformations on the graph of a parent function to do this. So this problem number 10, this log base 4 of x, is going to be our parent function, and from it, we're going to figure out what the other equations and match their graphs by transformations. So let's think about what we know about log functions, and let's create a table and to plot some points. So we will not have to do this table every time because we'll use our knowledge of function transformations. So we don't need a lot of points, just a few to match these. So when x is 1/16, y is -2. Now, that's going to be difficult for some people to see when it's written in this log form. If you think of it in exponential form, where the base is 4, the logarithm equals the exponent, so the exponent is y, is equal to x. And now, majority of the times when you're dealing with functions, you start with the input and then you figure out what the output is. But actually, with this equation, it's going to be easier to start with the output and figure out what input caused that. When y was -2, a negative exponent will never make our answer negative. 4 raised to the -2 power is equal to 1/16. 4 raised to the negative first power is 1/4. And 4 raised to the 0 power, by definition, is 1. 4 raised to the first power is 4. And 4 raised to the second power is 16. Now, I think that all we'll need for this is just a couple of these points. I think that if we simply use 1, 0 and 4, 1, that'll be enough to whittle it down to the right answer, I believe. So let's look and see which of these points passes through the point 1, 0. A passes through the point 1, 0. B passes through the point 1, 0. C does not. D passes through the point 1, 0. E does not pass through 1, 0. F does pass through 1, 0. And G does not pass through 1, 0. H does not pass through 1, 0. And J does not pass through 1, 0. So we eliminated 5 of these 9 graphs just by knowing one point. So let's come over and take a look at this second point, 4, 1, and see if that will whittle it down further. So 4, 1, A passes through 4, 1, but B does not pass through 4, 1. D does not pass through 4, 1. F does not pass through the point 4, 1. And so that means that for number 10, our choice is A, and this is going to be our parent function, and we're going to use this to help us to answer the remaining problems. So this one may be the most crucial one to get correct right off the bat. Hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.